In this video, we will explore various methods and strategies for effectively collecting data in different scenarios. Whether you are a researcher, data analyst, or simply interested in data-driven decision-making, this video is packed with valuable information to enhance your data collection skills. Data collection is crucial for decision-making processes. It impacts the quality of decisions made. We will delve into various tools and techniques used for data collection, ranging from traditional methods like surveys and questionnaires to modern approaches like web scraping, data mining, and social media analytics. We will explore how to select the appropriate data collection methods based on your research objectives, target audience, and available resources. We will also provide practical tips and best practices for ensuring data quality, minimizing biases, and enhancing the overall accuracy of collected data. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of different data collection tools and techniques, enabling you to make informed decisions in your future data-driven endeavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on data analysis and research methodologies.